Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair Wi-Fi network in our Oppo phone. Friends, you want to unpair guys your Wi-Fi network in your phone, so how can you unpair? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video guys, first of all guys subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting. So friends, click on guys your Oppo phone Wi-Fi setting to unpair your network. So we will tap here. So friends, you can see this type of setting. So friends, right side this icon guys, tap here. Friends, you want to share guys your Wi-Fi, so you can share from here. So friends, you can see remove this network means unpair guys, tap here to remove it. Then guys this Wi-Fi network will unpair to your phone. Then guys you cannot use this Wi-Fi network guys, you will have to pair again. So like that guys, we can unpair Wi-Fi network in Oppo phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.